In today's video, I'm going to teach you Is Cloudways Reliable? The Honest Step-by-Step Data Guide 2026. If you run client websites, an online store, or any business site that depends on traffic and conversions, reliability is everything. A beautiful website means very little if the server goes down during a campaign, slows to a crawl under load, or drops database connections at the wrong moment. That's why instead of trusting marketing claims, we're going to look at the practical factors that actually determine whether Cloudways is reliable in real-world use. The first thing to evaluate is infrastructure stability and uptime history. Independent monitoring data consistently places Cloudways around a 99.99% uptime average, which is a strong sign of dependable performance. More importantly, Cloudways avoids many of the issues common in traditional shared hosting. Because it runs on cloud infrastructure providers like DigitalOcean, your application is deployed in an isolated VPS environment with dedicated resources. That separation matters because if another site gets hit with a sudden spike, your server isn't dragged down with it. Next, reliability depends a lot on choosing the right server size from the beginning. Entry-level plans can work for lighter sites, but if you use heavier page builders, WooCommerce, or several plugins, smaller configurations may hit CPU limits and create lag. A much safer approach is to choose a premium server option, such as DigitalOcean Premium or Vultr High Frequency, with at least 2 GB of RAM. That gives you more headroom and also unlocks Object Cache Pro, which can speed up database-heavy workloads by keeping more queries in memory. After that, set up automated backups so you have a recovery plan if something breaks. Inside the Cloudways platform, open your server, go to the Backups section, and configure your backup frequency. Daily backups are a solid baseline, while busy e-commerce sites may benefit from hourly backups. Set retention for at least 2 to 3 weeks. This way, your files and database snapshots are stored off-site automatically, and if an update causes problems, you can restore the server quickly without rebuilding everything manually. Another key reliability feature is Cloudways auto-healing and scaling tools. The platform monitors core services in the background and can restart them automatically if something fails. That reduces downtime without requiring manual server intervention. And if you expect a traffic surge, you can use vertical scaling from the dashboard to increase resources without going through a full migration. Finally, before sending live traffic, validate everything in a safe test environment. Use the free trial to launch a premium server. Migrate a copy of your site and check loading speed, SSL status, dashboard behavior, and overall stability. This gives you a risk-free way to